Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the system and hardware. Plug the Spacemouse into a stable USB port or dongle and make sure the 3D connection driver is installed and up to date. Once done, open the software and select a profile that matches your application, because this controls the axis sensitivity and button mapping. You should see the device listed. If not, reseat the cable or try another port. This first step gets you ready to move, rotate, and zoom smoothly in your workspace. You now learn the basic control workflow. Hold the cap lightly, push to translate, twist to rotate, and combine push plus twist to pan while rotating. This gives fluent, continuous 6-do F motion. Make sure to adjust sensitivity sliders in the driver so fast moves are responsive but fine detail remains controllable. Next, map the device buttons to your most used commands so you can keep both hands on input devices. Practice short sequences until the motions feel intuitive. You finish with advanced setup and a practical troubleshooting tip. Create and customize per application profiles so each program has tailored sensitivity, button assignments, and axis settings. This avoids constant switching. Then fine-tune dead zone, smoothing, and inversion options to eliminate drift and improve precise edits. If the Spacemouse becomes unresponsive, restart the driver, repair the dongle, or try another USB port. If that fails, test on a second computer and update firmware. This final check ensures reliable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.